All right, geometry, this is page 4 of the Unit 3 test. This page is only worth 2 points. Once I got to the review material here on the test, every question was just worth 1 point each, and you had to get the entire thing correct to get the point. So you have to have everything right to get the point. If you make any mistake anywhere, you lose the point. So number 12 is a proof. It says triangle PQR is shown where ST is parallel to RQ. Marta wants to show that SR over PS is equal to TQ over PT. So place a statement or a reason in each box of Marta's proof, and there was a guess box down there, so you could kind of guess that. So this is worth 1 point, but you have to have everything right. You have to have all the parts right. You cannot have any mistakes anywhere. As I list the statements, and I kind of read through, it gives me the parallel. So line 1 is the 2 lines are parallel, it's given. Number 2 says, gives me some angles if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are congruent. And then the 2 triangles are said to be similar. So if you look and see what we have up here, I have 2 statements that show me that 2 different angles are congruent. So the reason that the 2 triangles are similar is because of the angle similarity theorem. Because of angle similarity. Line number 4, once you have 2 angles congruent, then you have what's called the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So yes, I have shortened that up, but if you're looking for it, it's right down here. This one right here is the winner. That's the one that goes right there. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So I just need to figure out the 2 triangles and the sides that are similar. It's either going to be this one here or this one here. Those are my only proportional statements. So if I take a look back here at the triangles, and actually I can take a look right here at this statement in statement 3. PQ QR RP. The second one is PT PS SP. You have to pick 2 of them. So if I look at this first one, PR, which is the same as RP, and PS and SP, so this one is okay. PQ and PT, this one is okay. So this first one would work based on that little proportion of 3. PS over SR. PS over SR. That would not work at all. This one does not work for us. So my only option is PR over PS has to be equal to PQ over PT. Because my similarity statement, those are my only options to use based on that similarity statement. And number 15, this is also worth 1 point. And it just wants to know what is the first step in the construction process. The very first thing I do is I set my compass on point P and I draw a little half moon or so, or an arc. So my answer is D as in dog. D as in dog. We noticed it a little bit more. We actually did this and made it look like a kind of a half moon. But that gives me the 2 points then along segment AB, where I'm able to go in and do a perpendicular bisector to that. So in this one, the very first step that I would make is in D. Once I get done with that, I would actually go to B next. So I would make the arc, or I'm sorry, I would go from D to yes, you would use B, and then the next step would kind of look like B to finish it up. So that is the end of page 4. If you would like to see page 5, it is in the last video.